Student, welcome in history class. Student, we are reading chapter The Bhakti and Sufi Traditions. Various Bhakti traditions and movement established in Indian subcontinent during time of 8th to 18th century. Among these organization and traditions and movement, Guru Nanak Dev movement was one of them. He had organized an organization to new kinds of devotion with devotee, where without any intermediate people can worship God and Goddess. We will discuss today about the movement of Guru Nanak Dev in India and in Indian subcontinent. Student, today's topic Baba Guru Nanak Dev and the sacred word. And Guru Nanak Dev how established his movements and what was the idea, education and speech of Baba Guru Nanak Dev, we will discuss today. Point number first. Guru Nanak was born in 1469 in village Nankana Sahib in Punjab. Nankana Sahib is the village where Baba Guru Nanak Dev was born, and born time was 1469 and the state of Punjab. And this part of Punjab, the Nankana Sahib part of Punjab, today after the separation in the Pakistan. So we can say the born place of the Guru Nanak Dev is located today in the Pakistan. Students, point number second. He had taken Persian education and he an accountant. Students, Baba Guru Nanak Dev was a rich and merchant family related person. He had taken Persian education. Why Persian education? Why not Hindi or others? Because that time India ruled by the Delhi Sultanate or Mughal dynasties. So, that time Persian was the major language of Indian subcontinent. Due to this requirement of the knowledge of Farsi, he had taken Farsi language based education, and after finishing of education he became an accountant. But he was not born on the earth for accountant work. By childhood, he had a good faith toward the Sant, Sufi and bhajans, hymns. When any Sant or any Bhakt came in his village or the surrounding village, organized any Bhakti traditions, he always joined. And it spiritually by soul jointness of the Baba Guru Nanak Dev had attached for the spiritual areas. What happened then? After married, he was working for the family, but morning and evening he was involved in the Bhakti traditions, and he spent most of his time among the Sufi and Bhakts and travelled widely. After some years, he left the house and made closeness toward the Sufi sons and Bhakts, and taken the knowledge about God, Goddess, nature and the natural atmosphere of the world. And he inspired by the Sufi Sant And along with the Sufi Sant and the Bhakts, he traveled a widely areas of India and Indian subcontinent. After this, when he became mature, taken the light of nature, then he organized a movement. The movement name was the Sangat. And by the Sangat, he had given message. He given message. What was message? Of Guru Nanak is spelled out of his hymns and following teachings. Guru Nanak Dev was the poet Sant, like Kabir, Sant Ravidas, Mirabai. He was poet Sant. So he started organizing his followers under the base of hymn. Hymn means bhajan. And he given message to the followers. Number first, he advocated a form of Nirgun Bhakti. He supported for the Nirgun Bhakti where people can attach by soul the Nirakar Parab Brahma. It was first speech. Second, he rejected sacrifice because sacrifice was common in Hindu religion and Muslim religion. So he rejected sacrifice. Ritual baths means in Hindu are believed to bath in the various rivers before the devotion. So he opposed the ritual bath and also opposed the image worship. These things, those were traditionally was important thing in Hindu and Muslim both religion, because both religion was major religion contemporary of the Guru Nanak. So he opposed sacrifice, bali of animals, ritual baths, image worship of both Hindu and Muslim. Guru Nanak Dev criticized the both traditional idea of Hindu and Muslim. He was very kind-hearted person. He suggested to followers, don't give sacrifice because God had created all living things. So we have not right to give sacrifice them. If we cannot give life of any living things, so we have not right to take any living thing's life. It was the main and important education of Guru Nanak Dev. And the third education, he the absolute or Rab means Ishwar Satya hai. The absolute or Rab, Ishwar ही सत्य है, had no gender, and the Rab had not any gender or forms, and Rab have not any form or structure like human, mountain, trees, etc. Rab have soul structure, light structure. Guru Nanak Dev had called God the name of Rab. Rab is the name of God called by the Guru Nanak Dev. So it was very important education of the Guru Nanak Dev. The absolute or Rab had no gender or forms. And fourth, he proposed a simple way of the connect to the divine. He proposed a simple way by him, bhajan, to connect with the divine, God and Goddess, Rab. Because God is providing very easy way. People can connect easily to the God. And point number fourth, Sangat was community. I have explained. He organized a community that was the Sangat. Sangat was the community of his followers and his hymns called Guru Bani. what hymns prepared by the Guru Nanak Dev and contemporary poet Sant like Kabir Das, Rai Das, Dadu Pant, they had made these collection made in the religious book of the Guru Nanak Dev followers and given name the Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib is the collection of the various poet sant hymns. Those poet sant name I have taken: Sant Ravi Das, Kabir Das, Dadu, Dayal, these and along with the Guru Nanak Dev. All hymns bhajan had collected by the followers in 19th century and given the name of Guru Granth Sahib. Okay student, and the Khalsa Panth. Khalsa Panth is the tradition of the Sikh religion and it was founded by Guru Gobind Singh. Okay, so student, we have discussed about the Guru Nanak Dev organization and idea. Guru Nanak Dev had not suggested to their followers to establish any new religion. It was very clear message by the Guru Nanak Dev to his followers, because Guru Nanak Dev wanted to establish very easy culture where every person can attach to the divines. So he had not suggested to their followers to establish any new religion. He wanted to create a good culture. But after that, his followers organized and they had given new religion separated from Hindu and Muslims and given new religion, Sikh religion, and given name. The Sikh religion was founded by Guru Nanak Dev, but it is not right, because Guru Nanak Dev had not suggested to their followers to establish any new religion, but followers had established the Sikh religion and they proclaimed these traditions, these new movement had established or started by Guru Nanak Dev. Okay student, thanks.